Hi everyone, today I will give an introduction of the SDD review. Firstly is the introduction. The purpose of the SDD is to provide an outline for the hardware and software design details of the EV3 project. This document includes the information about how the functions performed by the robots. The document will give an introduction about the system architecture and components design, data design, code flow, and how the users interact with the system. Also, some constraints of the system will be illustrated in the document. So the second part is the system overview. The system is running based on the Java platform and follow a client-server model. The hardware part of the system contains several sensors that can allow the robot to detect obstacles, colors, and distance. The client includes a GUI component, and the server contains some components, which make interaction between the system and the client and control the functions of the robots. So after that is the system architecture and component design. The system architecture and component design will be introduced from the client and server. The client part includes three components, which are input and output controller, GUI controller, a map controller. Three architecture alternatives are provided, which are Wi-Fi connected, client and server, incorporation of touch sensors, and finally, the Java INI client-server connectivity. The fourth section is the design details. Two classes called GUI and Bluetooth RC client are used in the client. The Bluetooth RC server, auto thread, menu thread, and its escape down checker classes are used in the server. The main methods of these classes are used in the system. They are related to the thread and Java Swing. So finally is the human interface design. The graphical user interface includes four parts, including the mapping area, the speed control area, the direction control area, and the system control area. The mapping area is in the proportion of A1 sheet size, and that can allow the robot automatically to draw the coordinates. The speed control area includes three buttons, slow, middle, and fast. The direction control area contains four keys, which can adjust the moving direction, and a stop button that are used to stop the system. The stop button is in the middle of the four keys. The system control area includes four buttons that are automatic mode, manual mode, keyboard control, and exit. And also, some improvements that can be added in the SDD. Comments are very important. They are needed in the SDD to improve the readability of the contents.